Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by making sure the essentials are ready. Update both phones and the watch, turn on Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, and sign into the same Apple ID on the new phone. Once done, unpair the watch from the old iPhone to create a backup. If you can't access the old phone, erase the watch to remove the pairing. Now place the watch near the new phone and open the watch app so you can move straight into the pairing flow. You'll see a clear pairing prompt in the watch app. Tap Start Pairing, then use the phone camera to align the watch's view or choose manual pairing. Make sure the devices stay close. When prompted, pick Restore from Backup if you want prior settings and apps, or Set up as new to start fresh. During setup, sign into your Apple ID, enable iCloud and Apple Pay if needed, and create a passcode so your watch is secure and ready to sync apps and data. Once pairing finishes, let the watch fully sync. This can take several minutes depending on apps and data. Make sure notifications, health data, and Apple Pay are working. Enable the cellular plan on the watch if you have one. If something goes wrong, first restart both devices and try again. If pairing still fails, erase the watch from settings and reattempt pairing. If you see activation lock, you'll need the previous owner's Apple ID removed before you can complete.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.